Well, hi, Jeff Barlett here, and this is a guitar tutorial video on how to play a C major chord on the acoustic guitar. So, what you want to do is you want to put your index finger on the B string of the first fret. Then you want to put your middle finger on the D string of the second fret. And then you want to put your ring finger on the A string of the third fret. So you have your index finger on the B string of the first fret, your middle finger on the D string of the second fret, and then your ring finger on the A string of the third fret. So this is what a C major chord should sound like. And that is a C major chord on the acoustic guitar. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to learn how to play the guitar, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and God bless.